The recipe calls for you to sear the pork and the mixture in a pan that can go, a pot obviously, that can go right into the oven. And the next fun part is, of course, to hit it with a cup of wine, and that is, to my wife's everlasting chagrin, the way I measure. And then to go ahead and cook off the wine for about 3 minutes. I'm not going to make you watch all of that, because the other interesting part is to take your bay leaves, to take a nice amount of fennel, and then to take everything that I've already chopped ready to go, the carrots, the leeks, and the onion. So put this all in, give it a good stir, then 325 degrees, goes into the oven for about 1.5 hours.